All right, guys, let's be honest. Everyone wants their lawn to stand out. You know, that feeling when your neighbors drive by and they take a double take? That's what we're after in this video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you all of the tips and tricks that I use to get that perfect Instagram-worthy shot and help you dominate the neighborhood. Let's get into the video. First things first, sharp mower blades. Dull blades don't cut, they tear. And when that happens, your lawn ends up with brown tips that will ruin your look. So keep those blades sharp so that every pass leaves your grass clean, green, and ready to flex. Next up is fertilizer. This is your secret weapon. Look for one with iron, and that's what's gonna give you that rich, dark green color that'll have your neighbors questioning their life choices. Here is a pro move. If your lawn borders your neighbors, make an extra fertilizer pass along that line. It'll make your lawn stand out even more. And timing is everything. Apply your fertilizer 7 to 10 days before you plan on taking photos or videos. And that is when your lawn will be peaking and picture perfect. It's all in the details, baby. Crisp edges make your lawn look like $1,000,000. It's the difference between a nice lawn and whoa, that dude cares. Don't skip it. Now let's talk stripes. Everyone loves diamonds, so use the sun to your advantage and mow with the light. It really makes those stripes pop. And here's the secret. Burn in your pattern by mowing the same direction for a few cuts. Once it's locked in, your lawn becomes pure artwork. You've done the work. Now, let's show it off. Get high, climb a ladder, use a drone, or even snap a picture out of your window. That's how you capture the full magic of your lawn and not just dominate your neighborhood, but the internet too. So there you go. Sharp mower blades, the right fertilizer, good aerial shots, crispy edges, and straight lines. Now you're ready to dominate the neighborhood. Follow these tips, and not only will your lawn stand out, it might go viral. If you found the video helpful, hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel for more domination tips. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what you're doing to dominate your neighborhood this year. My name is Devin, I'm the DIY Lawn Coach, and I can't wait to see you in the lawn. Peace.